Salutations! Let me show you how to use your 4-bar utility knife. So the 4-bar has an unusual opening mechanism, which means that when you open and close it, your fingers are never in the path of the blade, making it very safe to use. To open it, take your index finger, place it through the loop, take your middle finger, place it against the hook here next to your index finger, and take your thumb and place it underneath this hook here. You're then going to press upwards with your thumb and resist that motion with your middle finger so it opens thusly. To close it, place your thumb on top of the hook and pull down. Now this is the double hook model. It has a full hook on the bottom and a thumb hook on the top. This makes it very easy to use. However, there's also the slim model, which requires a little more dexterity but takes up less space in your pocket. Again, you just take your index finger, place it through the loop, put your middle finger next to it, and then place your thumb on the back of the knife here, and then press in that direction. Thusly. And it closes the same way. Both models have an adjustable screw here, which allows you to tweak the amount of force needed to open the knife. This can make it more secure, more child-safe, or if you loosen it, quicker to deploy. Both knives also come with a pocket clip. This one is in the quick access position because it exposes the finger loop out of your pocket, but you can also reverse it to the deep carry position so that the whole knife, it sits deep inside your pocket. These knives are also fully ambidextrous and can be opened with either hand without any adjustments to the mechanism. To remove the blade, take a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew this screw here on the top of the blade, remove it, remove the blade cover, and then you can remove the blade. To replace it, simply put the blade cover back on, reinsert the screw, and tighten. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy the 4-bar utility knife.